Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to change your GitHub profile picture. If you've been searching for a way to change profile picture in your GitHub account, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To change your GitHub profile picture, first of all, open github.com in one of your computer's web browsers and log in to your account. Once you are in GitHub, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll down the menu and select Settings. Under the Public Profile section, you will see your current profile picture. Click on the Edit button below your current profile picture. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Upload a photo. A new window will appear. Select a photo from your computer for a new profile picture. Once selected, a new pop-up window will appear. From here, you can crop the image if needed. After making the adjustments, click on Set New Profile Picture to save the changes. By following these simple steps, you can easily update your GitHub profile picture to a new one.